Easy Write 6 recognizes handwriting, so you can easily transform it into text. To do this, tap the main menu button, go to Settings, then tap Handwriting Recognition Language. Download any language pack from the list and select the one you want to use. You can now use the pen tool to write in print or cursive. Then tap on the Select tool and circle the words you wrote. Tap here to change the selected handwriting to text. Once your handwriting has been converted, you can edit the text or change the size, color, style, and alignment.